These people from all over the world made decent amounts of money with this brand new website I've never talked about before. Anybody can do this and get paid quite decently because all you have to do is click, and that is something most of you already do every single day. Now, for those of you who want to make even more money, then make sure you stay tuned and watch up until the end of this video, as I have 2 bonuses to share with you as well. Alright, so the website we will be using today in order to make money online is called aticlicks.net. As I have said in that intro, I have indeed never shown this platform before, and it's a great platform to make money online. They pay people from all over the world, they pay decently, and they also have various different payment options apart from just PayPal. But first off, how do you get paid with this site in the first place? What is it you have to do? Well, here you can see all the ways you have to make money right over here. You can refer people, complete high-paying surveys and offers, visit websites, you have task bonuses and contests to make some extra cash here as well. The way this website works, I think most of you can already figure out by now. If you're some website owner and you want traffic to your site, you will come over to here, pay this platform to advertise you, and this platform will then give out part of that money to the people who have clicked and gone to those sites, which in this case will of course be us. What this video is about, as the title of course suggests, is making money by just visiting websites. So you want to keep in mind that I'm going to focus on that. But you can make money in these other ways if you so wish. But as I said, once again, I will be focusing on visiting websites for now. Anyways, you can see down here some info about this site that I think is very much worth noting. In total, 84,000 people have registered on here. And by the way, the reason for that is because this is not an old website. It's been around since 2020 or so it's relatively new in comparison to some other platforms. Something else of note here is the amount of money paid in total, which, as you can see, is $9,000. Now, this may not seem like a lot, but for a make money online website with just 80,000 or so members, this is actually quite decent. With all of that said and done, something very, very important that I have to show you are the payment proofs, which you can check out yourselves by clicking on them here. And on the next page, you will be able to see precisely what I've shown you in that intro. There are everyday people being paid by this platform from various different countries around the globe. So this shows 2 things. This is worldwide, and that it is very most definitely legit. And here is the truly crazy part. Near the top of the page here, you can see people that have made the most money as of late. And this person here has literally made nearly $600, which is just insane. Most make money online sites allow you to make like $5 or so at most. Meanwhile, these people here have all made hundreds of dollars. So while it is quite difficult, it is most definitely possible to make this kind of money with this site. And I will actually show you later on in the video how you can do that, as well as a bonus platform that you can use to make some extra cash in the process. Anyhow, in order to be able to make money on this platform, you will need an account. So you want to click on the register button in the upper right corner here. On the next page, you'll just have to enter in some basic information about yourself, just like it says here. So your full name, username, email address, your password, and finally, your birth year and place. Once you enter all of that in, you just have to complete this CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot. Then you have to tick this box to agree to their terms, and finally click on register below to create your brand new account. When you log into your new account, this is how everything will look. Here you will be able to see your earnings and available points to the right of that, points that you will then go and exchange for money. With that being said, here's what you need to do in order to make money by visiting websites. You want to click on Earn Money here, and then select View Ads below. That will take you over to this page here, and by the way, make sure you guys have your ad block disabled, otherwise this won't work. Anyhow, with that said, in order to make money, you will just have to click on some of these ads. Doing that will take you over to an external site where you will have to wait a few seconds. After 5 seconds or so, you will be able to see this right up here. they will ask you to click on an upside-down picture. They are doing this as to verify that you are actually human and not a robot. When you click on the upside-down picture, you will be able to see the close button, and when you click on that, you will be taken back to this platform where you'll be able to see that you have made some money. Now, as some of you have figured out by now, this is not a lot of money. Visiting these sites will not make you rich in any way, shape, or form, and because of that, I have 2 bonuses for you. I have a way for you to make more money with this platform, but I also have another platform that will pay even more. So let's get started with the former. How can you make more money with this site? Well, as some of you may remember, this platform allows you to make money by referring people, and doing just that is a lot more profitable for you than clicking on those websites and visiting them. In order to grab your referral link, you just need to click on affiliate banners here, and when you do, your referral link will be displayed here. Whenever someone signs up via that link, you will get paid. You can share this link on social media. Facebook groups are always a great option. You can share it on Twitter, for example. Social media in general is the perfect place to get clicks. It is, however, worth noting that you will need to click on a few more of those websites and make a bit of money before being able to make money referring people. The second bonus I have for you is a Make Money online app. The app is called Daily Raffle, and I am now at their official website, dailyraffleapp.com. This app can get you paid between $10 and $500 for just installing it, which is just insane. But how does it actually work? Well, the best way I can explain it to you is that it kind of functions like the lottery in real life. Only difference is that you have a way higher chance to make money with this app, as you can see right over here. Right next to that, you can see each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 9. To win, your number should match at least the first 4 numbers of the winning ticket. So, as you may guess, it's not like a crazy low chance for this to actually happen. So you do have very, very high chances to get paid indeed. And in some rare instances, you can make up to $500 with this app, which is outright ridiculous. In case some of you are wondering, this works for both iOS and Android, so it will work no matter which device you have, and more importantly, this app is legit. You can check that out by going over to the Google Play Store or App Store. On the Google Play Store, it has a rating of 4 stars with over 30,000 reviews, whilst on the App Store, the rating is at 4.3 stars with over 100 reviews. This shows you that while it may seem suspicious and scammy at first, this app is 100% legit and will pay you most definitely. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.